First day of 2022, we'll make fresh salsa. So here we go. We need tomatoes, green onions. No, it's red onion, a lime, and cilantro. So these are the basic ingredients for salsa. Cilantro, which makes the salsa really taste good without I've tried so many times to plant cilantro, but it's all failed attempts, so I just buy now. Okay, and the last ingredient for our salsa is lime, or if you don't have lime, you can have lemon, or sometimes they put calamansi, and then a pinch of garlic salt. That's it. Okay. Or you can also add fruits that are in season. I usually add mangoes if they're in season, or papaya. But now we have pineapple, so I'm just gonna add pineapple to our salsa. So here we go. So it's ready to be mixed. So you have tomatoes, green, this is red onions, that's cilantro, pineapple, lemon, and hot chili pepper. And you can add that if you want spicy stuff, but you don't have, you can put it on the side. And then at the end you can put a pinch of garlic salt according to your taste, just a little bit, and then that's it. So there we go. Time to mix. There we go, just mix it up. That's been mixed. Halo-halo lang so that all the ingredients are mixed nicely. And then we can add the garlic salt right here, garlic salt. And the last one, we have the lime. Here we go. Yummy. I think that's it. Make sure the seeds will go in because they're a bit bitter. I'll mix it one more time so that the salt and the lime juice will be mixed evenly in the sauce. Yummy. can have this for lunch, breakfast, dinner, snacks. Here we go, it's done. Try. You can put the chili pepper if you want. If not, you can just eat it as is. So fresh. First bite. Okay, enjoy.